can see red now.
Yeah. Wow. It's got red wings when it flies. You can see the red wings.
Its back, you can see red tail, red back.
Maroon Oriole. Oh yeah.
Good view.
Yeah, it's
Good
okay.
sun. Red
good.
tail.
That's pretty good, yeah.
Sometimes it's just flying to the same
So it's
tree.
kind of the
behind
same
it.
tree high up. So
Vertical flycatcher.
I don't know
And
why.
fly-racing bobo. See, vertical flycatcher
Where?
to the left.
that's
Right,
like
up. Left. No, up. Oh, yes, go. And now same maroon.
Yeah.
Now sitting close to maroon.
There's Maroon
Vertical,
Oriole.
vertical.
It's a flycatcher.
But not.
I don't see it. I see the Maroon Oriole.
Oh, sitting behind the branch.
Yeah, he's just
Behind the branch here, you see?
Oh, right there. In the same tree.
The tree.
yeah.
Up to the right of the Oriole. The Oriole's gone.
Oriole.
Right, got
Just to the left.
Yeah, the Oriole went up.
Then up to the left.
But what flycatcher is that again? For
vertical.
vertical flycatcher. Okay. He's behind the branch though. Then the Maroon Oriole went up here. He looks black. What's the black? That's not the Maroon Oriole, is it?
Yeah, black. Maroon.
maroon.
Okay.
Hair is red, but no, not this color.
Yeah, you can see him, maroon.